Hey everybody, I'm Bubba and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a toaster. So grab a paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with our toast shape. So come over here, and go up, over, and down, just like that. Perfect. Next, we're going to do a little line coming out right there and another little line coming out over there so that we can copy this line and give some crust. So let's go down and stop right there and then come back over here and go down and stop right there. Perfect. And there's our toast shape. Next, we're gonna put the toast in the slot of the toaster. We'll do a line going up, a line going up, and then a line back here. Perfect. Let's do another one down, another slot of the toaster right here. A line, and finish off that rectangle. Now to give this toaster more dimension, we're gonna put a line down right there so it looks like we can actually go down in the toaster. Perfect. Time for the toaster shape, the big box of the toaster. Come back from there, line, straight across, and then another line back here. Perfect. And there's the top of our toaster. Now let's move down the sides. We're gonna draw lines down, like that, another one like that, and down like that. Perfect. Let's connect these two and close this off, right there, and then draw a straight line all the way across to this other side and close that off. Perfect, and there is our toaster shape. Next, let's draw a face of our toaster character. So let's do two big eyes down here. And some lines underneath the eyes. And then finish our eyes by filling in some pupils. Perfect, that looks great. Next, let's do some eyebrows above the eyes. Like that, and then a cute little mouth underneath. Let's do 3 freckles on the side of the cheeks. And now, let's give our toaster some arms. Like that. And then another arm over here waving. Let's do some motion lines. And then the legs. One there, and then a curved, straight, curve, like that, and then we'll finish off with a little shadow. Perfect, that's looking really good. Let's add just a couple more details around. Some details on the bread. And maybe this bread just popped, so let's make it look like it's a little toasted and it has some steam coming up off of it. And you know what, I think our toaster needs a little power cord. So let's have a cord coming down like this. And then a rectangle off the end. Like that. I'm gonna fill that in. Perfect. And then just a couple crumbs. And there we have a cute little toaster. Yeah! Good job. You did a really good job following along with me today. I'm so proud of you. Come back again soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!